Hi everyone, my name is Alberto Guerrero, and today we'll talk about describe how fibrous joints are held together. Chapter 8, Learning Outcome 2. Fibrous joints are dense connective tissue that contain many collagen fibers. They hold joints in between bones together. There are three types of fibrous joints. Sutures are joints held together with very short interconnecting fibers. These fibers are dense connective tissue called sutural ligaments. Sutures cannot be moved, and because they cannot be moved, they are called synarthrotic joints. Syndesmoses are joints held together by a ligament. Fibrous tissue can vary in length, but is longer than in sutures. This ligament is made up of a bundle of dense connective tissue, and this ligament or joint is very flexible and can be twisted. And it is between the fibula and tibia in this picture. Gomphosis is a joint formed by the union of a cone-shaped bony process and a bony socket, or as stated here, peg-in-socket fibrous joint. Periodontal ligament holds tooth and socket. What this means is the peg-like root of a tooth fastened to a maxilla or the mandible by a periodontal ligament is such a joint. Let me repeat that. The peg-like root of a tooth fastened to a maxilla or the mandible by a periodontal ligament is such a joint. Gomphosis is this, right here on my cursor. It's where the root of the tooth and the mandible or the maxilla, the bone, meet. The ligament surrounds the tooth root and firmly attaches it to the bone with bundles of thick collagen fibers, which is what makes gomphosis. And gomphosis is a synarthrotic joint, just like the sutures. Thank you for listening.